10th of August 2020, 168 days since my last flight, and this is gonna be the first one since Covid-19. Let's find out how it looks. Finally, time to have breakfast in the lounge. The gate is now open, so let's go!
So, how's the trip looking so far? Well, very few people, mask wearing at all time, a la carte menu in the lounge, which was a very nice thing, and well, apart from that, same old stuff.
Little news, they're not boarding using the priority groups, but just by row, starting from the back. So because I'm sitting quite up front, I have to wait a bit more. It's been such a long time since the last one. It feels very, very good. Hello! Thank you! Yeah! Here I am, sitting finally on a plane. It's been a very long time. Finally ready for takeoff, and middle seat empty. I was not expecting this, but apparently they are giving some free snacks on board just because they can't sell anything. Benvenuti in Italia. We're gonna disembark being called by row number, so it's amazing to see that everyone is seated. So we had just to get through some thermal scanner and now approaching the border control. Next step,
collecting luggage. Let's see where they are. Bed number 5. Hopefully we don't have to wait ages. That's usually here. Got my luggage back. They have been sanitized, so it's another good thing they've done. Well, now it's time to get out of the airport from the European Union arrivals. Whew. Done. Finally, I've got my car. Very nice one. So yeah, the video, the coverage of this trip, first one since coronavirus outbreak, ends here. My trip continues for 3 weeks in Italy, enjoying time with my wife, our families, our friends, and so on. But that's maybe gonna be another story. Thank you for watching. Bye.